So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of a start menu right there, overall start menu in a taskbar of your Windows laptop. Now, in order to do it, simply click on the click on the desktop, click on this option of personalize. And here, click on this option of colors. And first of all, select the color that you want your start menu to look like. For example, if I select the blue only, and now again, if I show you, it's not applying right there. Now, in order to apply it, just simply click on this option of show as in colors on start and taskbar. Just simply enable it. Now you can notice that the color has been applied to the start menu, and I can change any of the color I want to. For example, green right there, so it is applied to the green, and I can select any of the color I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.